Bonjour classe, aujourd'hui c'est lundi le 28 janvier 2019. Il faisait froid ce matin, mais maintenant il fait beau. Attends. Okay. All right. So anyway, today what did we do? I checked for the interviews that you were supposed to do. And if you did not do it, then you had until the end of the day today to show me to get full credit. And then after that, it would be considered late. Then we went into Google Classroom. For those who actually did have it done on time, we went to Google Classroom. So, well, before that, let's look at our warm-up for today. So our warm-up is going to be the same thing as regular classes. So I'm going to click on that. So this is the warm-up that we did. I described the picture. We talked about the picture in French. And then we read the caption and we discussed it and we determined what it meant. So, qui sème de la gentillesse récolte de l'amour. Qui sème de la gentillesse récolte de l'amour. So, we determined after much discussion that it's whoever sows kindness reaps love. And we just did some things in French with it. So that's what we did for our warm-up. Now, I'm going to go to Google Classroom, to French 2 Pre-AP Period 5. And I'm going to click on the assignment here. Actually, the instructions. All right, so basically, while you're going to write your paragraph here, you're going to create a Google Doc. And if you've already done your interview, you're going to create a paragraph, type a paragraph up here. And you're also going to get time to do it tomorrow, so that you can get ready for when we present these. So I'm going to click here. This is the sample paragraph. All right. Les vacances de mes profs. And so you basically have to include an introduction, a greeting and an introduction, then introduce your two teachers. And this is basically just a good way to organize your paragraph and make sure that you have everything. So, I'll just read this one. Bonjour classe, je m'appelle Madame Pique. Je vous présente Monsieur Ordonez et Madame Matthews. Voici Monsieur Ordonez. Pour les grandes vacances, Monsieur Ordonez va sortir avec les copains à Galveston. Puis, il va beaucoup lire. Enfin, il va voyager aux Colombes, mais il ne va pas faire le ménage. So in case you hadn't noticed, remember the instructions were that once you've done all the interviews, then you pick 3 things that your teacher's going to do and 1 thing that he or she's not going to do. And so that's what I did. I also used transition words. For example, puis, then, enfin, finally, but, mais. So, of course, feel free to use those. Then, my next part of my paragraph had to do with my second teacher. Et maintenant, voici Madame Matthews. Elle va faire les magasins et aller au cinéma cet été. Notice that I joined 2 of her activities with a conjunction, et, and. De plus, additionally, elle va faire une promenade au parc avec ses filles. She's going to go for a walk in the park with her friends, or with her daughters. Cependant, however, elle ne va pas regarder la télé. She's not going to watch TV. And then I closed it with a thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. So, this is a template, an example for you to follow. If you follow this, like I have it, then you will do great. You'll do fine. Okay? And you'll have time to work on this tomorrow as well. All right. And that's all we did today. Au revoir. Bon après-midi.